Fifth grade, today's lesson is titled Factors and Divisibility. Basically what we're going to see is that we can figure out all of the factors of any number using divisibility rules. This box right here, this blue box, is the box that we would use to figure out all of the numbers that can be divided into a given number. Okay, so I just did over here all of the factors of the number 72. They include 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, and 72. How did I do that? I used these divisibility rules, and down below here, these are all of the pairs on these divisibility rules for the number 72. So you would read this blue box like this. A number is divisible by 2 if the number is an even number. Well, 72 is an even number. Okay, so therefore we know that that would be a factor of 72. So this is how it works. Down here we can see these are the factor pairs. So that means every set of factor pairs, if you multiply them together, they would equal the number. In this case, 72. So the first factor pair is 1 times 72. The next factor pair would be 2 times 36, and so on. Okay, so if you read through the list of divisibility rules, it's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, and then you would just use those rules to determine if the number is divisible by that number. Okay, and if you know one factor, then you can figure out what the other factor pair or the other factor in the factor pair is by simply dividing by that number. So for example, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3. So if we were to take 72 and we were to add those two numbers together, that equals 9, and is divisible by 3, so therefore 72 should be divisible by 3. Okay, because 3 times 24 is 72. And so if I were to say list all of the factors of the number 72, these over here are all of factors 72 in order from least to greatest. And you can determine all the factors by using the divisibility rules. These divisibility rules need to be memorized. Best way to do that would be to copy them onto an index card and just practice them using them. And that's it. That's today's lesson.